We are going to add a texture on the wall. So to add a texture, I go on Materials, and I'm going to select carpet, fabrics, leather, textile, for example, and why not, you have wallpaper, thin broad strip. I can change the color. I go on plus, something like that. Or I can add, for example, something like this. Like that. And after, if I want to integrate a frame, for example, I would like to integrate at this level a poster or something like that, I can select, I can take tape measure tool. Alors here I know that the middle is here. Alors if I know that the middle is here, I'm going to take a point like this. Then I can go till, alors here I can go till 50 centimeter. Like that. Here I can go at this level and I can tape 50 centimeter. Here I can reduce to 40 centimeter, and here to this point I can go on 30 centimeter, like this. Even do something different, so it means that here it's good, but no, maybe it's not too good, so I'm going to create a guide. This point 50 centimeter like this, or not, 40 centimeter. Like this. Then I create a frame, so I take rectangle tool, like that. Then I'm going to add a color, so for example, I'm going to add, I go on color, I add black color like this. Then I take push-pull, or not, maybe I'm not going to do push-pull. See, yes, I'm going to do push-pull. So I take push-pull and I'm going to push for 2 centimeters in this direction, like this. Then I'm going to select this frame. I'm going to go on File. I go on Import. And on import, I'm going to go on my SketchUp texture, SketchUp, and I have texture SketchUp. I select texture SketchUp, and for example, I'm going to go on sky. Now here you need to select JPEG image, and you have to, and for example, here I have picture of sky, and I can select, for example, this sky. Here you just need to use image as texture and import. Then I can place, for example, here it's exactly the same size, so it's good. But no, I'm not in the right angle, so I'm going to do this again. Import. Like this, like that. And for example, I integrated a frame like this on the wallpaper. Edit, delete guides.